and anger over schoolgirl deaths. So yesterday, the process of DNA identification began at the Chiromo mortuary for some of the 9 girls who perished in the fire. And you can see the flaring emotion, from friends and parents on the front page. Many hoping that lessons have been learned from this.
Oh yeah, this is quite unfortunate. We only hope that the Ministry of Education officials will set in place measures to make sure that it doesn't happen again. It's a very sad thing for a parent to bury a child.
Right.
Yeah.
And of course, this is a conversation we need to have on a different day. But on page 3 here, we have John Muthiora saying we need to rethink the whole concept of boarding schools. Yes. And this is something that came out during the deliberations for the education reforms, and whether the issue of free primary and secondary education could be achieved with boarding schools, still being within the public school system. So, it is a conversation we need to have. But do grab your copy of The Nation for page 3.